You just got your UV lighted. Now what? What do? You unbox it and you start messing with it. How do you practice? We're gonna go through the steps on how to practice your UV light, on steps that I recommend on how to progress in getting used to pressing the pedal, dipping, placing, and curing. I've been using my UV system for almost 2 years. I'm an educator and the founder of UV Lash Co. So I'm gonna tell you my tips and tricks on how to get started with your new UV light. This is everything that you need to get started practicing, getting the hang of your UV light, as well as the actual UV light. So this one I just have, this is the original, and this is one we're gonna practice with. I have my 0.15 lashes, my Halo Hue glue, makeup round, glue ring, and just a pair of tweezers. Make sure that your glue is thoroughly shaken before you start practicing. I'm gonna use a glue ring. I usually use a glue ring to practice and to lash with. I'm gonna drop a dot of glue, one or two. And then I make sure that the light is within the range. So the regular halo needs to be about 6 inches away, or about the equivalent of a tweezer. So now we're going to grab a lash, place, and cure, and let go. So now we continue. Grab a lash, dip, place, and cure. This adhesive only needs about 2 seconds to cure. Now it's fully cured. Continue doing this until you get the hang of grabbing, dipping, placing, and curing. This might be a little too far away, so I'm gonna scooch my makeup around where the beam of the light shines. If you're someone who does handmade fans, you can then practice grabbing, dipping, and placing and curing. Okay, now we're gonna practice on a mannequin we're going to get the hang of isolating, grabbing, dipping, placing, and then curing. Ooh, my light is nowhere near where it should be. No big deal, we can just move it over. After you get the hang of doing the makeup round and your mannequin, the next step is a live model. So book one of your clients that you already have. If you're a new lash artist, find a friend. Pro tip, put a podcast on. It helps with time to help your client be more comfortable, so then you can lash without them moving around a lot. That's a pro tip that I have. If you have any recommendations on podcasts for anybody who's watching this, put them in the comments down below. My favorites will be in the caption. Thank you so much for watching. Cannot wait for your new UV journey to begin. Congratulations, by the way.